Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair dye color tutorial. I used 29 hair dyes from Kiss and Adore to get this hair look. So I was sent 613 faux lace wig, 18-inch, and it's there. Starting off, I'm going to section out where the ear tabs are, and that is going to be my first place where I would apply my color. The first color that I'm using is from Kiss. It's called Ginger. I'm going to be using this as the root color. You want to be very careful of how you place the hair dye because you don't want it to touch the lace. Because when you part your hair, there's going to be hair dye on the lace and you don't want that. So take your time, make sure that you're super careful. I'm going back and forth to check. So now for the back half of the hair, I'm going to be using Kiss. This is their platinum hair color, and also I'm going to be using Adore. I believe it's titanium, and I'm going to be using it at the root. So I'm not going to go further down. I'm only going to go towards the root. So with the front part of the ginger side, I'm going to be using these blues and greens. So I wanted to go for a cooler side, and then the other side will be warmer side. So they're basically, with this whole look, is going to be cool and warm tones. I used each and every single hair dye to make this wig look decent. Okay, so I am not going to skip any color. I'm going to use each and every single color. So the 29 colors, I use each and every single one of them. Sectioning out the middle, I'm going to now use different types of greens. So I'm going to blend it out. The way how I blend out these colors is I smooth them back and forth, and it just makes the color, the base and the top color blends very well. And now I'm going to be using all of the purples. I really like the purples. I'm going to be showing you guys as I use the colors. I'm going to be showing you guys while I'm using the colors so you guys can see, like, this is no joke. Like, I literally use 29 colors, okay? 29 hair dyes, 29 hair colors on this, okay? This is no joke. Going towards the pink side. Okay, so as I use the pink, I smooth out the color with my hands, and it just basically makes, you know, everything blend together. There is no line of demarcation, and you can see where the other color starts and where the other color ends. You don't see that because I'm smoothing it out with my fingers. Now I'm getting into the warmer tones now. I'm going to be using red, burgundies, copper, and stuff like that on the other side. So like I said before, smooth it out with your fingers. Make sure everything is blended together nicely because you don't want any line of demarcation. You don't want to, be clogged, okay? You want everything to be blended neatly, nicely, and seamlessly. I would have to go back with the base color to blend out with the top color, and then I would smooth it out so that it can, blend together. I decided to do a pastel color in the back half of the hair. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using: purple, pinks, greens, and blue. So with using pastel colors, you want to make sure that you use conditioner, something that will lighten the color and basically give it a pastel look. So I use this conditioner, a little bit of conditioner, and then with each bowl I will apply or pour the hair dye into the bowl. And then I would actually mix it with my applicator brush. So after I am done mixing it all together, these are the colors that I got. I use purples and blues in the back, and then I mixed it with some pinks, and it just came out really, really pretty. So just mix and mingle with the colors. You don't have to be like super strict with it. So now I'm gonna wash it. I used my Tresemme shampoo. I didn't use the other shampoo. I just used Tresemme, and as you guys can see, the color is pretty vibrant, for the most part. I'm showing you guys that I am going to wash the cooler side. As you guys can see, the cooler side did not run, but the warmer side of the hair did run. I think it's the orange or yellow that ran. So now I'm just gonna spray my heat protectant spray and let it air dry, and then I will be styling this hair. You guys will see that in the next part of this video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.